Yes, YouTube, what we saying? Why's my Wi-Fi not coming on? Right, that should be better. Yes, boys, hope we're well. Hey, who's in the Discord in here? Who's in the Discord? Let me know who's in the Discord in the TikTok live. Such a hypocrite. How, bro? Let me put this order on. Just need to wait for Lou to send me the trade. We're in on. I can't remember where our stop loss is. I'm gonna need to Lou to send me over the stop loss and the TP. We're entered on a 200k account challenge, bro. Lou entered this one. I can't remember where he put his stop loss or TP, so he's about to send that over to me on Discord. Hey Sesame, can you do me a big favour, bro? Can you just send me the TikTok link for me, bro? Send me the TikTok link on to me on Discord. If that's all right. Cheers, bro. How am I a hypocrite, bro? It's currently taken off at the. What did I do with that link? It's currently bananaed at the moment, bro. We got taken off last week. Why are you long in EU, not GU? Do you not use EG? I do, bro, but look at where GU is. Nice one, Cess. Cheers, bro. That should be it. Yeah, give me 2 secs, boys, and I'll explain. I'll go through this. Lou to send me over the trade as well. There we go. You won't move far today due to no news. Right, I'm going to have to explain it to you then, bro. First of all, the market doesn't move just off news, right? Market moves off a narrative. The fundamentals, right, does not just mean the high impact news, right? When we talk about fundamentals, we talk about everything that's going on right now. If there's no high impact news, it does not mean that price isn't going to move. I need Lou to send me this trade. Did he send it to me? Market moves off volatility, bro. 100%, I agree. But volatility does not just come from high impact news, bro. The thing is about high impact news, bro, it doesn't just have a short term effect. Okay. And there's one thing you'll know this week. There's a reason why we're going to have a stronger euro at the start of the week versus the back end. So we're seeing the EU are cutting interest rates, right? The ECB are cutting by 25 basis points. So we should see a trade to the upside before they move down. I've been on the market all morning, not a single setup for me actually cooked. Fair play, Archie. Well, to be fair, mate, it's a Monday. So, to be honest, bro, don't even stress about it. It's a Monday. It's not even that bad. I need Lou to send me the trade, because we're in on this EU, but I'm not too sure where you put stop loss and TP. Yes, funded trophies. What's good, bro? Hope you're good, man. I need to send it over quick. Yes, Graham. Hope you're well, bro. EU hit some mad previous yearly targets. Really? What yearly targets are we looking at? Yeah, that is true. No news on Monday, always washed. Even Monday in general, bro. Monday in general is not the best. Yo, mate, afterwards. What's that, sorry, bro? What the fuck you want about, bro? What's good, my boys? What's good? Safe? What we saying, bro? Hope you're good, man. Boys, by the way, I'm streaming over on YouTube, so if you want to come join me on YouTube, you can see my full screen. I think it's just a little bit easier to see, to be honest. Oh, sorry, mate. Yeah, afternoon, bro. Afternoon. Hope you're... What's your YouTube? It should be in my bio, bro. It should be in my bio. If it's not, it's just literally just Rich SFX. But it should be in my TikTok bio, boys. So... yeah, it should be in the bio, boys. Taking an hour off, gonna come back for New York City, see if anything arises, or just call it a day. Fair play, bro. I mean, it's what I say, yeah. Lou entered this trade on one of our 200k ACG accounts, one of our challenges. The thing is about Monday, I would say it's not the best day to trade, right? It is not. That's obviously why we didn't place it on our funded accounts, more on our challenges. Yo, mate, what's the name of the prop firm you'll be using? Alpha Capital Group, bro. We've also got a 15% off discount code. What's so special about the 5 AM candle? The 5 AM candle is the true open of the day, right? So it is 12. Yes, Big H, what are you saying, bro? It's 12 AM. I think that's right. New York time, right? So that's midnight. Okay. What you'll notice is pretty much a time-based liquidity confluence, right? And essentially what you'll see that price does is price always gets attracted back to it if price wants to continue. So say if we've got a continuation of price, which we can notice, as we can see here, EU is continuing to the upside. The reason why we know this is dollar's bearish, okay? And at the moment, the euro's getting is gonna have this bullish move before the nice bearish move. EG is sort of was more the favoured one this morning, because that's what had that daily open this morning, which was absolutely beautiful towards that prior day low, very efficient as well. So this was really the trade of the day, I would have said. And then we had this EU here, which we've only got in place on a 200k challenge account. I say only, so obviously a big funded challenge, but it's not on our main account. This is the thing, this is the way we offset risk. The way we offset risk, me and Lou, is literally just by having challenge accounts there. That is the way we offset risk. It's the best way to offset risk. Because if you pass a challenge, brilliant, you're now funded, right? So it's a really good way to offset risk, test your, test some other strategies like DTO. The daily open strategy I love placing on, we absolutely, we love placing on challenge accounts. No, you said there was no reason to long before. That's not what I said, bro. I said you long too early. That's what I said. That's exactly what I said. I said you longed far too early. I I said the place where we've really realistically got the most chance of reversals is either DTO or Asia's low. What's special about the 5 a.m. candle? Yeah, it's a daily trade open, bro. What a daily trade open is a key level of price. It's midnight New York time. You see a lot of orders, a lot of stop losses there. I'll be honest, boys. Go on, literally backtest it. Backtest the 5 a.m. candle, the open of the 5 a.m. candle, and look how many times price comes back towards it later on in the day. I need Lou to send me the trade because I'm not even too sure what the TP and stop loss is. He hasn't sent it to me yet. I can only assume TP's probably here. It is a Monday, so aiming for too much is pointless. Facts, bro. How long have you been trading? I've been playing. Fucking hell, I've been trading for over 6 years now, man. How can we use the DTO? It's literally just a level of price, bro. Like what I've got marked out here. I've got an indicator that marks it out for me. If you boys are in the Discord, just go ahead, go in there, drop a message in the free chat indicator, and I'll send it to your DMs now. I've got my screen up to my left with the with my Discord. So yeah, once you're in the Discord, boys, jump in the free chat and I'll send it over to you. But yeah, this is the EU we've got placed. Okay, yeah, so TP is there. And I think entry was a little bit higher up, but yeah, this is the trade we're in on our 200k CG account. It's only up a little bit at the moment. This is where we got entered with spreads. It was just above, but just because of spreads. But yeah, that's the trade we have. Stop loss. Where did Lou have that stop loss? Yeah, it's pretty much on that low. It's a little bit higher up, but we'll leave it on that low. But yeah, obviously we can see that we're really having these nice moves off DTO today. Again, continuations off DTO. If we get a continuation to the upside, DTO is the most favoured area for it. Yeah. That tapped order block as well. What, to the left? I was more. Was it on the? It wasn't on the 1 hour. If you had a mechanical system, necessarily, bro. Not necessarily. You'll be amazed with how false that statement is, and it sounds right? But the markets isn't for humans, right? If it was mechanical, yeah, it would. But the thing is about what humans have is pure emotions, right? If we've got emotions, strong emotions, all of us have got strong. Oh no, it must have been the order block then.